I've got some bad news for you. You're going to begin this level with no weapons. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll find them somewhere. Swim in the tunnel and emerge in the area that has a waterfall. Swim behind the waterfall and climb into the tunnel. Run through the tunnel, turn left at the end and throw the switch. Run back to the waterfalls and jump into the water. Swim across. Now climb out on the opposite side of the waterfall. Run in the tunnel on the right side of the crates. Run into the chamber and pull the wooden crate away from the wall. Run around the corner, climb on the mound, and jump into the corridor that was being blocked by the crate. Pull the switch to open the door. Climb out of the corridor and run back up the hill towards the boat. Jump in the water and swim behind the waterfalls. Run back down the tunnel, climb the ledge, and run through the passage to the top. Run and jump to the ledge with the road signs on it. Grab the ledge and drop to the ground. Turn, run down the tracks to a wooden door. Don't be surprised when it opens automatically. Here's a good place to save your game. Okay, here's the tricky part, so pay attention. The goal here is to race 2 boulders to try and get inside a tunnel before one of these huge rocks closes the entrance, making it impassable. Approach the first hurdle. The boulder will roll across. When you clear the first hurdle and approach the second one, the boulder above will begin to move. Quickly, run and jump the second hurdle. Now jump the third. While in mid-air, jump and turn right. Run through the tunnel. If you made it, run up the tunnel and grab the fuse. I should tell you that there are 3 fuses total that you will need to get. We'll find those later. Now turn left and continue. Trigger a rolling boulder, run back, and turn left. Run up the hill on the left as the second boulder rolls past. Drop down the hole at the top and into the 2-boulder room. Turn left as you land. Run back up the paths to the ledge with the roadblocks. Jump in the water and climb to the middle of the boat, then run and jump to the ledge across. Climb on the far left crate. Now walk behind it and into the tunnel. It should be lined with Natla crates. Find the portion of the wall that's dark and cracked. This is a block, so pull it, then push it to the left. Pull the block that's sitting behind it out and to the right. Run into the corridor behind the block and throw the switch to start the drilling machine. Return to the chamber where you pulled the first block out on this level. Go in the tunnel behind the drilling machine. Push the block and enter a new room. Climb on the block, walk to the edge, and climb up through the hole. Then grab the Uzi clips. Pull a switch to open a wooden door. Run through the tunnel into the next chamber and grab the second fuse. Return to the room with the waterfall and swim behind it. Go through the tunnel, jump onto the ledge, and go back to the room where you jumped on the cabin. Run through the tunnel. Stop when you get to the fork in the passage. Take a left. Pull the switch to start the treadmill rolling. Go back to the fork and take the third fuse. By the way, you now have all 3. Run into the room with the glass building and one suspended above it. Run up the steps on the right and grab the magnum clips. Use the 3 fuses in the slots to lower the building. Run outside and enter the building. Grab the pistols. You have some weapons again. Climb on the roof of the cabin. Now jump into the tunnel. As you get past the entrance, look up and see a hole. Jump and climb up to the ledge. Continue forward to open the gate automatically. Walk to the front of the slope, slide down, and jump forward while holding the action button. The plank will give way, and you will grab the ledge. Grab the shotgun shells and the Uzi clips. Pull the switch and open the gate. Now return to the room with the drilling machine. Go through the tunnel and run past the drilling machine. Enter the tunnel around the Natla crate and continue to another tunnel. Draw your guns and waste the cow poke. Steal the magnum sitting next to the corpse. Line up with the switch on the far wall and jump to it. Make sure you release the jump button when you jump. Now push the action button and grab the ledge below. Release, drop, and snag the crevice. Shuffle to the right as far as you can go, then drop onto the ledge. Turn right and run through the tunnel to the lava-filled chamber. Enter the chamber and jump onto the ledge. Turn left, jump from the right corner of the ledge to the pillar. Run and jump from the left corner to the next pillar. Turn right and jump in the tunnel ahead. Now run forward and push the block into the next room before you get smashed by the boulder. Pull the block out and climb up. Pick up the Medipack and the Uzi clips. Run down the tunnel in the corner and drop down onto a track with some items. Grab everything. Climb up, drop through the hole behind the boulder. Jump through the set of pillars in the lava pit. Climb up and run into a room with some crates marked TNT. Look for a crate that's dark colored. Pull it from the wall and then to the right. Now pull it into the next room. Jump over it and push it from the other side. Then climb onto the block and jump into the tunnel. Run to the top of the hill and climb up to the ledge. Run and jump over the sloped ledge on the right. Continue down the tunnel till you get to a switch. Grab the magnum clips and yank the switch. Return to the chamber where you moved the TNT block. Run down the tunnel, jump over the rocks, and continue into the next chamber. Draw your magnums and waste the annoying punk on the skateboard. Kids these days. After you murder the misfit, steal his Uzis. Continue to explore the chamber and take 3 sets of Uzi clips. Search the room and find the hole that has water in it. The rest of them are filled with lava. Jump in the water and swim through the gate. Grab the Medipacks and the clips. Swim back to the gate and through the opening in the surface. Climb the stairs and return to the chamber with the dead punk. Run up the hill and through the door. Continue to the next room. As you go up the slope, watch out. 3 boulders start to roll in your direction. Go in the tunnel, run up the slope, and climb to the next room. Climb onto the lowest stone pillar. Run and jump to the higher one, then jump to the ledge. Turn left, jump, turn left again, and jump once more. Now turn right and climb into a new room. Push the block, turn right, and climb into the room above. Push another block and drop down to the room below. Pull the block, go back through the room above, and drop into the lower room. Push the block and pull the switch to open a door. Now turn so that the switch is on your right. Continue forward into the alcove, turn left, and climb. Run to the block, then into the tunnel on the left side. Push the block at the bottom of the stairs and turn left. Run towards the door. By the way, it closes before you can get to it. Pull the switch and run up the stairs. Run past the golden door, find the hole in the floor, and drop down into it. Now run through the next set of doors. Draw your guns and waste the guy inside. After he's dead, grab the shotgun. Climb to the ledge above the pyramid door. Jump up the various ledges on the pyramid and go to the top. It may be difficult to see the ledges at first, but trust me, they're there. When you reach the top ledge, jump against the wall and slide down the pyramid face. Now run in the tunnel and pull the switch. Slide back down to the ground and run through the door you just opened. Grab the Medipack, clips, and the pyramid key. Use the key at the pyramid door and run through to finish the level.